Good evening, Doctor and friends. My name is Teo Suyin, and today I will present my group to start off our presentation. My groupmates are Chin Aichi, Lao Xinting, Lim Yingshuan, and Janice Bu Zhiwi. Our second assignment is Contractor Cash Flow, and for this assignment, we picked Perpustakaan Sultanah Bahiyah in Universiti Utara Malaysia as our case study. To summarize our assignment include calculation of total cost, presentation of S-curve, as well as work program and material scheduling. The full name of the project is Perpustakaan Sultanah Bahiyah UUM. Its original location is UUM Sintok campus and its current location is UUM Jitra campus. This project commenced on 6th of August 1989 and its completion date is 6th of September 1990. Its ground floor area is 4,568 meters square. The whole project cost 3 million and above. The project team includes quantity surveyor from Total QS Sdn Berhad, architect from Zone Architect, civil and structural engineer from MMSB Consult, as well as contractor from TJ Group.
As we can see, the total cost of this proposed building is 3,350,180.56, while the cost per square meter is RM 733.40. The cash flow breakdown for the proposed building includes preliminary, demolition and site formation work, piling work, substructure, superstructure, finishers, and so on are shown. Let's take an example. If we look at piling works, the cost will be RM 300,560. The cost per square meter equals to total cost divided by total GFA. Therefore, we will get RM 65.80 per square meter. Piling works take around 9 weeks to complete. The details for other parts are all shown in this table.
In order to measure the utilization of the financial outlays of a construction project, there is an effective tool called S-curve, which is a presentation of the planned financial flows on a timeline using a cumulative cost chart. The cumulative cost is calculated on weekly base and the weekly total cost is comparable to the contractor's expense. After that, the contractor's expenditure data and time duration in weeks will be transferred into a table for graph plotting purposes. In this case, S-curve is a really crucial tool to summarize the contractor's expenditure during the construction project. It also provides a clear image to the contractor of how he should prepare for expenditure for this construction project in order to ensure proper cash flow. While in material planning and scheduling aspect, the material represents a significant amount of the project's spending. It takes up 40% of the entire building cost. Brick, block, timber, cement, sand, aggregate, formwork, reinforcement, tile, pan, door, and windows are the primary materials that will be utilized in the building projects. The material used in the construction project of this 5-story library Sultanah Bahiyah at Universiti Utara Malaysia are shown in the table on the left.
This is the material scheduling of this project. Concrete. The main components are cement, sand, aggregate, and mortar. The grade of concrete used in this project is 325 and the ratio is 1 cement, 1.5 sand, and 3 aggregate for 1 meter cube of concrete. Cement and sand. Mixture of mortar can be formed by combining equal parts of water, cement, and sand. It can be used for wall plastering and to receive house finishes on the floor. Reinforcement. The type of bar reinforcement used are mild steel and high tensile reinforcement, while type of BLC used are S7, N9, and N10. Formwork. In this project, Grade C sawn formwork timber are used. The unit of formwork is m squared. The total use of formwork in WBLFF is 2,441 meters square. Superstructure is 8,798 meters square, and the overall is 11,239 meters square.
5.5 paint, Matex weather bonds, the primary sealer, and the emulsion paint are used in wall finishes. Floor finishes is the floor tiles and carpet. Ceiling finishes are the ceiling board, gypsum board, vested board, fiber acoustic mineral, and ceiling board. Conclusions. The curve represents the cumulative expenditures of a project. Direct and indirect costs over time is called the S-curve, as it takes the S shape as shown in Excel. As many other activities come online, the level of expenditures increase and the curve has a steeper middle sections. Towards the end of the project, activities are winding down and expenditures flatten again, so that to control a project cost, S-curve is one of the most commonly techniques. Thank you, that's all from us.